The very first step on solving absolute value equations is to isolate the absolute value. So first, I need to get rid of this 9 using subtraction. So I am left with -4 absolute value of c plus 10 equals -24. From here, I'm going to divide both sides by -4. So now I have the absolute value of c plus 10 equals 6. So I did the first step, isolate the absolute value. From here, I'm going to create 2 cases, one positive and one negative. Just like here, I know one positive answer and one negative answer both have the same absolute value. We have to have 2 answers. So I'm going to do 2 cases. I'm going to do c plus 10 gives me 6, and c plus 10 gives me -6. So that is my 2 cases. Finally, I'm going to solve both equations. So I'm going to subtract 10, subtract 10. On this one, I get c is equal to -4, and over here, I get c is equal to -16. Okay, now let's check. The word extraneous means an extra answer that doesn't make sense. So I'm going to use this simplified problem right here. I'm going to use this problem to plug into. So I have absolute value of c plus 10 equals 6. I'm going to erase this c and plug in a -4. -4 plus 10 is 6. How far away is 6 from 0? Well, the answer is 6, so this is true. Let's see if this solution is true. So we know this is an answer. Let's check this one to see if this is true as well. So instead of a -14, I'm going to plug in a -16. This right here. -16 plus 10 is -6. But the absolute value of -6 is 6. So those match. This is also true. So these are both solutions.